I can't even see myself. That's too much.
Today's video, we are going to go through our top 3 most expensive purchases, not counting the motorhome.
Just coaching, RV life with Jay and Rochelle. Yeah, started out young.
Okay, we are back. It has been just a little bit since we've actually been out here. A lot has been happening. A lot is still to be happening, upcoming. So, but we're getting closer to mostly full-timing it.
Woohoo!
We'll talk more about that in an upcoming episode, but we are just around the corner. But we are spending our final weekend out here at the RV, at Blue Water RV Resort before...
Oh, okay. That was like our final weekend. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we're unscripted, folks. But final weekend before life returns to normal. Yes. In a few days, we are hitting the highway and taking our daughter and 3 grandkids back to Virginia. And then we will fly back home. And it'll just be just the 2 of us. The whole song. All right. Anyhow, so we're going to start getting back to normal. And I'm trying to figure out these lights so we don't get the waves. Rochelle, tell us about your cool little bag.
So, Facebook strikes again. I was just scrolling and a Facebook ad pops up and it was a Bogg bag with this cool little topper on it. I was like, well, I've never wanted a Bogg bag, but with that cool little topper on it, I like that. So I thought it'd be a perfect bag for the beach. So I sent a screenshot to my family group chat and said, hey, this is cool. Wouldn't mind it. Of course, Jay got it before the kids could decide to go in together and get it. But anyway.
Talk to us about the cell phone holder.
So
I just did it.
The cell phone holder, I've seen different ways that you can put them. Like some people show it on the inside. It's pretty flimsy, but I guess it doesn't come out because it's very hard to get in. So anyway.
Talk to us about the top or the inside.
So my daughter got me an insert for it so that we could kind of organize it. So these little pockets hold like your Yeti cup or your Stanley cup. So that's pretty cool. And then you can, I don't know.
All right.
Sorry, my video is...
So that was Mother's Day, but that's not that's not our video today. That's just a little quick update on life. Has been crazy busy and will be again for another probably week and a half. And then today's video, we are going to go through our top 3 most expensive purchases, not counting the motorhome. So, top 3 most expensive purchases that go with the motorhome. Some you see, some you don't see. But we thought we would share them with you, and they're all going to make us go outside.
Joey.
So we'll see you in a minute.
Started out young in a small town life. Her senior prom on a Saturday night. One slow dance and a spark caught fire. Now we're rolling cross country in an Entegra Aspire. From high school halls to the open road, built this life 1 mile at a time we drove. And now the Texas coast is a front porch view, and every sunset still feels brand new.
Here she is. We're talking in front of the RV doing another video, which she hates. All right, coming in at number 3 is our Magne Shades, and we've done a whole video series on the installation. So that's been very recent, so you can go check out that video. We will link that in the description. So check out that video. But Magne Shades come in at our number 3, third most expensive purchase. All right, coming in at our number 2 most expensive purchase, kind of is the Jeep. Because there's the whole story behind that. But in all seriousness, but that was not really a joke, is our Blue Ox system. So I had a truck, a 2-wheel drive truck, when we got the motorhome, and we quickly set out to figure out our tow vehicle, and that all revolves around Blue Ox, or the tow setup. So this is our Blue Ox, and I'll show a clip of it on, and then this is our container with all of our stuff. Here's where the search happened. We set out just to save some money looking for a Jeep that already had this installed on it, so that we wouldn't have to pay for those parts and that installation. And so this is the area that there's a piece that goes in that will connect the Blue Ox to it, and then these are all of our hookups. The only thing that didn't come with the Jeep was our braking system, and so we went and bought the Jeep used, and then we purchased all of what you see here, plus the braking system. And we went with the Air Force One braking system, and that is the type that basically nothing is on the inside. It hooks up to our brakes. The brake line goes into that front bumper area, and it works that way. I think it's the Patriot 3 maybe. That's the type that goes in the floorboard and actually pushes your Jeep brake. We did not go with that version. Yeah. So ours, there's nothing inside. We do no interior hookup. Everything is done right here at the bumper, and was installed all together with this. And we will give you a full cost breakdown of each of these items from inside, because it's a little warm out here, and we need to get all the stuff so that we can actually tell you how much it all cost, labor, all the little pieces, because you need to know about these things, because we didn't, and we learned really quick.
We're just coaching, heartbeats in motion, 32 years and we're still rolling, side by side where we belong. From blue water nights to the great unknown, home ain't a place when I'm with you alone. Yeah, we're just coaching and loving this RV life. Mapped ice, marked on the dashboard, dream mountain mornings and desert scenes, coffee brewing by the tires, being every new town feels like home again. Got a million memories still to make, every back road bend, every lakeside break, and I choose this life every single time, chasing sunsets with your hand in mine, from the beach waves crashing to the interstate lights. Every day together still feels like tonight, a little freedom and a whole lot of grace, finding forever in every place. We're just coaching, living life wide open, windows down and the dashboard glowing, every highway sings our
Okay,
song.
Rochelle, number 1 most expensive item that you cannot see.
Rettroband.
Rettroband.
I didn't even know what it was.
She didn't even know. I had done so much research that I had heard about it. That's the only part that you can actually see. Protected by Rettroband, wheel enhancement. So, to me, I had done enough research that I knew that I wanted to make sure. I was just nervous enough from all the videos and talking about just how important they were if you have a front blowout without them. I knew enough to know I didn't want to experience a front blowout without the Rettrobands.
Right.
And so at the time that we were purchasing, I told Rochelle, like, if we don't do it now, we probably won't do it. So let's get the Rettrobands installed. So they did that while they were doing all the prep before we picked it up. But what you should know is, and don't hold me to this, but if your tires are more than 4 years old, they will not install the Rettrobands on those tires. Ours were right at 4. So this purchase, being the most expensive, also includes, it's a combination of the Rettrobands and 2 new front tires on the RV. So in total, those are going to get us to the most expensive. If I were to split them out, then we'd have a top 4 purchases, and it would go Magne Shade, 2 front tires, blue ox system, and then Rettroband. But I just combined them together. So. So there you go. That is our 3 most expensive purchases specific to the RV. And I say the Blue Ox is specific to the RV because we kind of need our tow vehicle. So I'm counting that as opposed to our e-bikes, which you could have without the RV. So that's not really an RV accessory.